Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here. Tell you what, this one's kind of going out more for people that's thinking about getting into an online business, or you're in one and it's not doing quite what you expected. Anyway, the things you want to look for, right? And there's just three things that I deal with as far as looking at something. Is it going to be good or is it not going to be good? So starting with the first one, let's bring it closer to home, because it's like, what's it mean to you? What are you going to get out of it? And that is the compensation plan. And some of these online things, whether it's Amazon, drop shipping, some of those only pay like 2%, 3%. So, if somebody buys $100, you get $3. And you can make money that way, but it's going to take a while, and you're going to have, hundreds of thousands of dollars that people have bought. The next thing is that you want to have, some of the other different programs have 40, 50, maybe 60. I don't know. I don't know of one that has 60. I'm just guessing that they might. But the one that I deal with, or I use the most, is 80% commissions. So hypothetically, you bring in $100 or you make a $100 sale, you get 80. It's real easy to figure. And that's pretty good money, right? If somebody buys $25, you get 20. Yeah. So it's kind of cool. And the other thing that you kind of want to know that gets in with the compensation plan is, when do you break even? As far as the money that you're putting out and the money you're getting back. And I don't know about the other ones. You'll have to figure those out. But for the one that I'm in, if you make 2 sales, you're in profit. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, moving on to the next thing is, what kind of training does this particular program have? You want something that's got some good training. And by good, I mean a step-by-step where you can kind of look over someone's shoulder as they do it. You can turn around and do it. So it's a lot easier to learn on that. And trust me, that comes in handy, because there's a whole lot of them out here that are kind of vague on their training. The people that do it probably know it, but the way they're conveying it, it makes it, kind of iffy. Okay, anyway, let's move on. And the last one is the support. I've been in a bunch of different kinds of, whether it's network marketing or way back with the MLMs. The support was bad. I mean, really bad. And a lot of times you'd have like some sponsor that brings you in and then they quit and move someplace else. Now you're just stuck. Nobody around to help. Nobody cares. Well, the one that I'm in's not like that. I mean, it's got incredible support. They have actually a private Facebook club that when you come into the business, you get into that Facebook club, because it's private. And that being said, you can go out there with any question related to anything that's in the training, or anything that you're learning, or anything that you're having trouble with, and throw out the question, and you're probably going to get, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 answers within an hour. I mean, it's crazy how people watch that and answer questions for those who need support. So that's kind of what I got for you, is look at that compensation. What kind of training do they have? And support. What kind of support? You want good support. So that being said, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the follow. And if you want to check something out, go up here. It's like Easy Bid 25. Easy Biz 25. It should be sitting up here. .com. Okay? Later, guys. Bye.